December 19th, Atzion Road, Shamong. There's 3 drones right now, and there's one coming right over top of me. Actually 4, because I see one on the other side. Here comes one. I'm right at Indian Mills Deer Club. This guy, and there's another one right behind it. There he is, flying low. Indian Mills Deer Club. He's right over top of me. Here comes his partner right behind him. There's another one over there. It is about 9:30 at night. This one's taking the same flight pattern. The other one's now in the woods. Here he comes. I'm just gonna hang out here. This is gonna be a long video, but I am on a really quiet road right now. There is nobody around. That is the forest behind me. This is a farm. Here comes the other one. Same pattern. You can see it's taking the same path as the other one. Exactly.